So we are seeing that how we can delete the node by the value. So we have a one linked list contains 10, 20, 30, 20 and 40. And let's say user is saying that delete the node which contains the value 20. And we'll start with the ST, and when we'll traverse it, it will see that the first it will get the 20 over here, and of course we'll apply the logic and we will delete it. But actually we wanted to delete this one. So this is not possible when you have the similar data. So when you say that you want to delete the node by value, always make sure that you have the unique data. You have the unique data. So this is the first thing, and now by location. Okay, so it's okay if I have 20. Let's keep it 20. Okay, now location. So if user says that user wants to delete 30, this node, sorry, let's delete this one. So user wants to delete this. So according to the user, this is the fourth location, guys,
Yes, ma'am.
right? So okay, we will start with the ST. So we'll search for the fourth location. But if I talk about the indexing, in that case, this is my zeroth index, first, second, third, and fourth. So I have to start my for loop from the zero, and will terminate it till location minus 1, right? Then 0, 1, 2, 3. So ni plus plus. This is just for the traversing purpose. Okay. Once we reach at this location, by looping this, we'll reach to this location. Okay. Now, what I need to do, guys? What would be the logic to delete this node? Everyone, what I need to do? Am I audible?
Ma'am, I think we should declare a temp pointer variable,
Hmm.
and that pointer variable will point index 2, that is location minus 2. So point location minus 2's next, that is 1004, and in that 1004 we will uh, rewrite it with 1005. So it will directly point to the next node and it will skip the third node.
Okay. Fine. So let's do this thing. So uh, ideally what I have to do means what it would be at the end. So it should be something like this. I'm just creating the, okay, see, I want this actually. I want this, right? And I want to delete this and this thing we want. For that, which are the values we need? For that, first I need to assign this value at this location, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So let's say that I have, okay, let's say this is the 10, this is the 10 which is pointing to this, or sorry, and current temp, two pointers you will require for this thing. Okay, or okay, one more thing, guys, you need to keep in mind while you are working with the linked list is always always take the two pointers. One is temporary, and which normally we use to swap the addresses, and second is current. So make sure that always you always your this current pointer always point to the current node. You're actually whatever the position it is, whatever the location it is, always make sure. So always take two pointer variables. Now what I want to do, I want this 1005 here. So either I can say current or temp, whatever you can take. And can I say, or there are, as I say that there are multiple ways, temp के next का next भी कर सकते हैं, ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं. So if I say this scenario, can I say that current का next is equal to temp का next? Can I say?
Yes, ma'am.
This is another method. This
Yes,
is
ma'am.
another method. The same thing you can talk like work like current के next का next. इससे पहले हमने जो देखा था, the that logic also we can apply. This is another logic. कि ऐसा भी हम कर सकते हैं, that we can take two pointer variables and we can. Is it visible, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Sorry. Okay, so this thing also you can do, and after doing this, this will be 1005. Okay, and it will link to this. Okay, now what I want to delete, I want to delete this node. I want to delete this node. What I can write?
Delete temp.
Delete temp, and it will delete the delete temp, and it will delete this node. And you can have this link. Multiple ways, as we know that to apply to execute a one program or to solve the one problem, we can have a multiple options, multiple solutions, multiple logics we can apply. So this is another method that you can use. इससे पहले हमने जो देखा था, it was like temp के next का next. Also we can do that, like इसका next और इसका next. तो temp के next का next ऐसा भी हो सकता है, और ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं हम. Take two pointer variables. So again, it depends on the operation, it depends on the logic. Any doubt, any query?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, should it be delete